Bien les deux, ouais. Comment on va?
Oh, t'aurais dû me dire, j'ai refait là.
Il est là, Karim. Ouais, je te vois quoi?
Ça va, tant bien.
T'es chaud?
Bon.
Ouais.
Ouais, ça va, tranquille.
Bah écoute, hein.
C'est quoi ton truc?
Aujourd'hui, il passe devant des professionnels.
C'est parti Dimitri, et tu vas prendre 3 kilos sur le visage.
Ouais.
Non, il y a 300 et quelques grammes.
J'en ai déjà pris 20. Voilà. L'été dernier, non, mais l'été dernier, je faisais 80. Et là, je fais 100, c'est fou.
Tu le vis mal?
Ouais, je suis un peu déprimé. Le soir, je me couche, je pleure. J'ai l'habitude de la campagne. Mais alors là, on est vraiment dans la campagne. C'est archi discret. Voilà, ma petite tenue d'abeille. Franchement, mais c'était celle-là ma tenue?
Ouais, je suis pas sûr. Hein.
Sûr,
Mais ça ressemble.
Ouais. Moi j'avais des ailes, elles sont vraiment les ailes. Ouais.
Ah, elles sont parties, elles étaient accrochées, on les a décrochées.
C'est bien que t'aies tout gardé. Hein.
Bah oui, j'ai tout gardé.
Bon, un petit avant-goût de mon prochain long métrage. Cette photo-là, c'était la première fois qu'on a été invité à Cannes. À l'époque, d'ailleurs, on jouait dans le même film.
Oui.
C'était un film de Franck Llopis. Je pense que c'est ce phénomène d'évasion qui fait que on se sent bien. Waouh! Faut que vous voyez ça. C'est super joli. Waouh! I've been living in Brittany for a few weeks now. I'm currently working on my next feature film script and my upcoming show at the same time. But to do so, I needed to find a place where I feel good and where I know my imagination is productive. And Brittany is my favorite place for that. I wouldn't be completely honest if I didn't admit that I'm also here to recharge from all the energy I spent making my last film, 2 Million Bro. Whoa! Between writing, back and forths between London and Paris for the filming preparations, and managing post-production, I have to admit that I was feeling exhausted. This week I was quite sick, so I made myself a homemade remedy. I have to say that, besides being tasty, it was really effective. After 2 days, I was already able to go outside again. Since I've been here, I've been able to see a few theater performances, and I'm quite impressed by the quality of the acting. Moreover, the importance that Brittany gives to culture is quite significant, and I must say I like that. Usually, when I come here, I stay with the family because the stays are always quite short due to my professional commitments in Paris. But this time, having decided to stay here for the entire writing phase of my 2 projects, I'll have much more time to discover more things, especially regarding the work done in the region in theater and cinema. It's quite beneficial and inspiring, in fact, to develop ideas for my writing projects. Anyway, I have some good news for you today, because the trailer for 2 Million Bro has been released. You'll find the link in the description. This film is a new concept that's very close to my heart, because the idea is to offer a French comedy played in English. I say French comedy because the film was shot in France. The humor is very French, and even though we speak English, we made sure to keep the French accent. Of course, we were careful with pronunciation, but even though finding the right balance between the French accent and pronunciation wasn't always easy, I really hope this new concept will appeal to you. Feel free to let me know in the comments. I don't know why, but despite my walks in nature, I've been experiencing a bit of writer's block for the past few days. I hope it's just temporary, because I must admit it's a bit worrying. Usually I'm so full of imagination, and I must say that this feeling of being empty of ideas is quite unsettling. Anyway, thanks for watching my videos. I'll see you next time.